Hello guys. Welcome to World Adventure Pack. Today we will discuss 10 tips on how to have great adventure. Let's get started. Do your research. Before embarking on any adventure, make sure you do your research to know what you're getting into. This will help you prepare accordingly, make the most of your time, and avoid any surprises along the way. Step out of your comfort zone. An amazing adventure requires that you push yourself beyond your limits and try new things. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new activities that challenge you physically and mentally. Be prepared. Whether you're going on a hiking trip, camping, or traveling to a new destination, make sure you have all the essentials you need for your adventure. This includes proper gear, supplies, and emergency equipment. Plan ahead to have an amazing adventure. Plan ahead and create a detailed itinerary of the places you want to visit, the activities you want to do, and the people you want to meet along the way. Be flexible. While planning is important, it's also important to be flexible and open to changes along the way. Sometimes, the best adventures are the ones that are unplanned and spontaneous. Take time to appreciate your surroundings. Don't be so focused on the next activity or destination that you forget to take a moment to appreciate your surroundings. Take time to soak in the scenery and enjoy the moment. Connect with locals. One of the best ways to have an amazing adventure is to connect with locals. They can offer insider tips, show you hidden gems, and provide a unique perspective on the culture and customs of the area. Embrace the unexpected. Sometimes, the unexpected can lead to the most amazing adventures. Don't be afraid to take detours, try new things, and embrace the unknown. Be respectful of nature and culture. When going on an adventure, it's important to be respectful of the environment and culture of the area. This means following local customs, leaving no trace, and being mindful of the impact you have on the environment. Take plenty of photos. Finally, don't forget to take plenty of photos to capture your amazing adventure. These memories will last a lifetime and can be shared with family and friends for years to come. If you find this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.